Freelancing and providing AI-augmented services, your secret weapon for 2024. Forget everything you think you know about freelancing. This isn't about working twice as hard for the same pay. This is about working smarter. Think of AI not as a replacement for you, but as your most powerful, ultra-efficient, and incredibly cheap intern. It handles the grunt work, the blank page, the first draft, the basic edits, the repetitive tasks. You step in as the creative director, the strategist, and the expert who adds the human touch, the nuance, and the final polish. This is the single fastest way to start making more money right now. You don't need a new degree. You just need to leverage the skills you already have with the new tools that are available. Here's why this is a golden opportunity for you in the US. High demand, American businesses, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, are desperately looking for people who understand how to use these new tools effectively. They need content, design, and code at scale. Higher rates, you're not just selling a service, you're selling efficiency and expertise. You can complete projects faster, which means you can take on more clients. Even better, you can position yourself as a cutting-edge expert and charge a premium for your AI-augmented services. No gatekeepers. You don't need permission to start. The tools are publicly available. Your success is limited only by your willingness to learn and execute. How it actually works. From zero to first client. Let's make this practical. How do you actually do this? Step 1. Pick your lane and your AI co-pilot. What are you already good at or interested in? Match it with a tool. If you can write an email, you can be a copywriter. Your AI tool, ChatGPT, the best all-rounder, Jasper, Copy.ai, your service. I will write SEO-optimized blog posts that rank on Google. You use AI to research topics, generate outlines, and write the first draft. You then edit it, add personal stories, expert insights, and ensure it sounds human. If you have an eye for design, you can be a graphic designer. Your AI tool, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, inside ChatGPT Plus, Canva's AI tools your service. I will create stunning social media graphics and branding packages. You use AI to generate unique concept art, logos, and mood boards in seconds. You then refine them in a tool like Canva or Adobe Express to meet the client's exact needs. If you're logical and like solving problems, you can be a coder. Your AI tool, GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT Code Interpreter. Your service. I will build automated scripts for your business. You use AI to write the basic code structure, debug errors, and explain complex concepts. You focus on architecting the solution and ensuring the final code is clean and efficient. Step 2. The AI-augmented workflow in action. A traditional freelancer might spend 8 hours on a blog post. Here's your new workflow. Command prompt. You give ChatGPT a detailed prompt. Act as an expert SEO content writer. Create a detailed outline for a 1,500-word blog post titled 10 Best Coffee Beans for French Press Brewing, 2024 guide, aimed at coffee enthusiasts in the US. Include H2 and H3 headings and target the keyword Best French Press Coffee Beans. Draft. AI generates a comprehensive outline and even a full first draft in 2 minutes. Your value. You spend the next 1 hour, not 8, doing the high-value work, adding personal tasting notes, embedding links to real products, inserting a story about your first French press, and polishing the language to be engaging and authentic. Result? You deliver a fantastic, human-centric article 4 times faster. The client is happy. You can now use that saved time to find another client. Step 3. Where to find clients and what to say platforms. Start on Upwork and Fiverr. They have massive demand for these skills. Your pitch. Don't say I use AI. Say, I leverage cutting-edge AI tools to deliver high-quality blog posts, just design code faster and more efficiently, saving you time and money while exceeding quality expectations. This frames you as an innovator, not a cheat. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. The freelancers who are learning to ride this wave are leaving their competition in the dust. You have the unique advantage of being in a market that values this efficiency. The only question is, will you start today?